The winds of grace are always blowing, but you have to raise the sail. God can be realized through all paths. All religions are true. The important thing is to reach the roof. You can reach it by stone stairs, or by wooden stairs, or by bamboo steps, or by a rope. You can also climb up by a bamboo pole. As long as I live, so long do I learn. The moment I have realized God sitting in the temple of every human body, the moment I stand in reverence before every human being and see God in him, that moment I am free from bondage. Everything that binds vanishes, and I am free. He is born in vain who, having attained the human birth, so difficult to get, does not attempt to realize God in this life. A person cannot be called truly religious who is still disturbed by the waves of the world. The mind is like a restless monkey, jumping from one desire to another. So long as you are conscious of the body and the world, you are ignorant. But when you can rise above body consciousness, you will know God. The greatest thing is to be cheerful. Others will follow. Be as light as you can, like a feather in the wind. Do not be a traitor in your thoughts. Be sincere, act according to your thoughts, and you shall surely succeed. The world is indeed a mixture of truth and make-believe. Discard the make-believe and take the truth. The fabled musk deer searches the world over for the source of the scent, which comes from itself. You see many stars in the sky at night, but not when the sun rises. Can you, therefore, say that there are no stars in the heavens during the day? Because you cannot find God in the days of your ignorance, say not that there is no God. One must be very particular about telling the truth. Through truth, one can realize God. The less you talk, the more will become your mental power. With the increase in your mental capacity, there will be more peace. The realization of God is the true aim of human life. God is in all men, but all men are not in God. That is why we suffer. The world is the great gymnasium where we come to make ourselves strong. Your own self-realization is the greatest service you can render the world. God can be realized through all paths. The snake is rope in the dim light. It becomes a snake only in your imagination. Through meditation, the mind becomes one-pointed and the waves are stilled. It becomes calm like a lake, and we can see our own image reflected on it. If you must be mad, be it not for the things of the world. Be mad with the love of God. To work without attachment is to work without the expectation of reward or fear of any punishment in this world or the next. Work so done is a means to the end, and God is the end. In a conflict between the heart and the brain, follow your heart. Religion is not in books, nor in theories, nor in dogmas, nor in talking, not even in reasoning. It is being and becoming. You see many stars at night in the sky, but find them not when the sun rises. Can you say that there are no stars in the heavens during the day? O man, because you cannot find God in the days of your ignorance, say not that there is no God. God is the only real substance. All else is unreal. The way is not in the sky. The way is in the heart. If you want to go east, don't go west. One should not injure living beings, even by mistake. The more we learn about the nature of the universe, the more we realize the importance of avoiding harm to others. When you are doing any work, do not think of anything beyond. Do it as worship, as the highest worship, and devote your whole life to it for the time being. It is easy to talk on religion, but difficult to practice it. The greatest religion is to be true to your own nature. Have faith in yourselves. What is necessary is to be like a child, pure, simple, and without guile. The mind is like a wild elephant. It goes where it pleases. The mind that is attached to sense objects leads to bondage, but the mind that is detached from them leads to liberation. Perform your duties in an unselfish spirit. The ego must die in order to be free. If you desire to be pure, have firm faith and slowly go on with your devotional practices without wasting your energy in useless scriptural discussions and arguments. As a lamp does not burn without oil, so a man cannot live without God.